Hello, today I'm making wild Atlantic salmon, and I prepared already the pesto that I'm gonna put on the salmon. So it's a garlic, it's a fresh parsley, onions, fresh onions, and olive oil, pepper, black pepper, garlic, oregano, and that's it. So. And this is what are we going to be cooking in the pan with? It's going to be like a sauce with tomatoes and the fresh onions. And this is the dandelion salad that we're going to accompany it with. Stay tuned. I hope you try. So now look, now we're going to make these on the top of the stove on the pan quickly on both sides, and then transfer them into the oven. I put the parsley stand on here, which is fine, and they're going to be transferred on the stand to go in the oven, which is already preheating. Stay tuned. And now both sides are cooked briefly, just a little bit, so and then I'm going to put it in the oven for like 10 minutes, and we'll see you. So now I'm going to make the sauce for the salmon, and then this is the shallot. The onions. We're just gonna saute them. And now we're adding the green onions and let it saute with them. So now we're gonna add the cherry tomato and let it saute. Stay tuned. Salt, pepper, and salt. And the parsley. We're going to leave it for 2-3 more minutes and cover it and leave it to be with heat that it already has. The cast iron reheating, so that's why you don't need to. Oh no. Dandelion salad. I'll boil it in salted water for 5 minutes, and it will be ready to marinate. Hello, this is our salmon, wild salmon, Atlantic salmon, in a bit of, onions and tomatoes. And this is the dandelion salad. And that's our dinner for tonight. Stay tuned, and I hope you guys try it. Bon appetit.